Okay, we hope to determine the direction of the object, whether it's moving right or left or up or down, based on what the sign of the derivative. So first step is to find our x prime and y prime. X prime is going to be cosine t, the derivative of sine is cosine. Y prime is going to be 2t by the power rule. So now we need to do x prime 7 pi over 6, which is going to be cosine of 7 pi over 6. Let's go back to the unit circle. 7 pi over 6 is down here, where cosine is negative, right? So it doesn't even matter what the actual value is. We're just trying to determine the sign. So we know that cosine of 7 pi over 6 is going to be negative, but let's go ahead and determine the value. By our unit circle values, this should be negative root 3 over 2. So the object is moving left because x prime is negative. All right, and then y prime is going to be easier. Y prime 7 pi over 6 is just 2 times 7 pi over 6, which is 14 pi over 6. And that is a positive 14 pi over 6, so the object is moving up. So it's moving left and up because x prime's negative, y prime's positive. Okay, so now let's do b. Negative t cubed is x, and y is 2t squared minus 5t. So x prime is negative 3t squared. X prime 1 is negative 3 times 1 squared, which is negative 3. So the object's moving left again. Object moving left. And then over here we have y prime is 4t by the power rule minus 5. Y prime 1 is 4 times 1 minus 5, which is going to be negative 1. So because y prime is negative, the object is moving downwards. So it's moving left and down because both x prime and y prime are negative.